over these context clues with you. And what I'll do is I'm going to read this with you. I'll highlight what I read as I read it. And so when you come across a word that you do not know, I guess I can't highlight. Here we go. All right. When you come across a word you do not know in your reading, look for clues. Context clues are words and phrases in the text that give hints to a word's meaning. So, you should already have this chart on your paper, and we are going to refer to it throughout this whole lesson. Now, the definition of context clues, sometimes they give context clues by definition. And in those cases, the words are, is, means, or. So let's read the sentence, how they do this. Larger animals often treat smaller animals as prey. Or something to be killed and eaten. Or is our signal word, and that means prey right here is something to be killed and eaten. So we have the word, and then it says prey is something to be killed and eaten. Let's erase that. And all this, clean up our screen. Now I'm going to go over example with you. Example. Sometimes context clues are given for as an example, like, such as, for example. So like, such as, or for example are words that they use to give examples. So predators such as hawks, wolves, and coyotes hunt rabbits. So predators such as hawks, wolves, and coyotes hunt rabbits. Predators is the word that we have to figure out, and since we have a signal word as such as, that means predators are hawks, wolves, and coyotes. Next, cause and effect. Cause and effect are as a result of, because, and thanks to. So let's go ahead and read this. Because many animals eat rabbits, the number of wild rabbits have decreased. So decreased is the word we need to figure out, and our context clue, our signal word for the signal word is because. See, it's right here, and it's telling us many animals eat rabbits, so it's decreased. One last one is comparison. Compare and contrast. So you'll make sure that you have like, to, similarly, but, unlike, and although written down. And let's read the sentence. Although wolves eat both plants and animals, hawks are completely carnivorous. So let's take a look. Carnivorous is our word, and although is our signal word. So carnivorous, so wolves eat both plants and animals. They're talking about hawks. They're comparing the two. Hawks are completely carnivorous. So that means that's our context clue. It doesn't say specifically, but hawks, whoops, eat only meat, or animals. Let me write animals. Okay. Let's move on to the next sentence. A word's position and function in the sentence can also be a clue to its meaning. For example, read the sentence below. Brown bears are solitary animals and are often found alone. Now we do have, let's keep reading. You can tell that solitary is an adjective in this sentence. Let's circle solitary. The adjective describes the bears. Then the word solitary is defined in the sentence. Since the bears are often found alone, this gives a good clue to what solitary means. So solitary means, because it gave us the clue, are often found alone. So solitary means alone.